everyone, just want to take a few minutes today to discuss with you about when selling your home, if it makes sense for you to do the repairs and updates prior to putting it on the market. So last question is, in a lot of cases, it's best to sell the home as is. If it's just cosmetic repairs and cosmetic updates, may not really be advantageous for you to invest more money into the house, because in reality, everyone has a different opinion on the kind of house that they want, that they feel is nice. So it could be beneficial to do the repairs that are, not cosmetic. Like if you have molding act that you're aware of, if you have leaky faucets and things like that, those kinds of things, yes, it makes sense to get those fixed, because when your potential buyer that you set an offer on does your inspection and they see that these issues come up, they're going to want you to fix them anyway, or they're going to ask for concessions, and you don't want the deal to fall apart because of it, because then people are going to think, oh, well, that inspection must be bad, something must be wrong with the house, I don't want to move forward in buying that house. So if you are aware of those kinds of repairs, it's best to do them before you have them in the market, so that way you have a smooth transaction, or at least you've already gotten out of the way and you're not surprised when you get an inspection done and they're asking for things that you weren't aware of. Okay. And so other things that you want to consider is cosmetic repairs, right? Some people think that they do the cosmetic repairs, that they will sell their home for a lot more money if an updated home versus not an updated home. So the main benefit that you want to consider here is that if you do cosmetic updates or those cosmetic repairs, then they're going to probably help your home sell a lot faster than it would, right? Because most potential buyers, they want a house that is updated and they have nothing to do with it when they move in. It's almost like feeling like they're buying a brand new house versus a home that's outdated. Outdated home may take longer to sell for this very reason. But in reality, to alleviate the issue of having to put more money into the house, you can just sell the house for less, saving you the headache and the time constraints of getting those updates done for someone who may want to change it again once they move in, because it's not exactly how they want it done for themselves. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email me at closewithpatrice@gmail.com. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.